So let us now learn how to create a query with a single condition. It is given in page number 50, figure 3.1. You may find that the books table which is created in your book is already on your screen. So we are going to use this table and use some criteria in the book price. Okay, we are going to retrieve the details of the books where the price is more than 500. So how to create this query? For that, first we have to click on the create tab. Okay, this is your create tab. Just click on this create tab and you will find tables, forms, reports and query here. Okay, in 2016 you will find this query just after the table, but in 2007 you will find it here at last. Okay, so now first we are going to learn how to create a query using query design. Okay, just click here. Your table will remain as it is and you will find this show table. Okay, you have to add the tables here. You have only one table now, so you can add the table and then you have to close this as given in your book. Follow the steps. You have to close this after it. Now you will find your books table along with all its field is getting displayed here, and this is your query design grid. Okay, this part is called your query design grid where we are going to design our query. Okay, so what you are going to do is we are going to add the fields one by one to our query design grid so that we may add our criteria to it. We don't need the book ID now, so let us start adding the rest of the fields. Okay, how to use this? Just you have to drag and drop your field. There are so many ways you can drag and drop, or you can just place your pointer here and double click on the field. You may find that your field has appeared here. Okay, and you need also the book genre, so double click on it. So all the three fields have been added here. Okay, book name, book price and book genre. Now according to our query, what you have to do? You have to filter those records, that is those details of books where the price is more than 500. So as I already said, the first one is your field. These are the fields in your table books, and this is the table from where these fields have appeared. So you will find that all the fields will have the same table because all of them belong to the same table, books, books and books. And now we are not going to sort it. I will show it later on to you. Sorting means if you want to display your records in any particular order, in ascending or descending order, it will be ticked here. Okay, you have to just click here and select ascending or descending order. If you are not going to choose anything, that it will be displayed as it is. Okay, in the ascending order. Then this is the most important row, where that is the criteria row, where you have to enter your criteria. So what is our criteria now? The value must be greater than 500. It must display all the records or all the books that are greater than 500. Okay, so for single condition we are going to use only this criteria row. If you have multiple conditions, then you'll be using the rest of the rows also. I'll teach about this in your next class. Okay children, so after your query is designed, now your query is designed, what you have to do is you have to click on the run button present here. So this is the design view of your query. जैसे हमने टेबल में डिज़ाइन व्यू देखा था, ये आपके क्वेरी का डिज़ाइन व्यू है. Okay, so after designing your query, you have to click on this run button so that you may find the results in the data sheet view of your query. जैसे आपकी टेबल की दो व्यू है, मैंने आपको बोला था आपकी क्वेरी में भी डेटा शीट व्यू और डिज़ाइन व्यू होगा. सो एज सोन एज यू रन दिस क्वेरी, क्लिक ऑन दिस, you will find all the books that are priced more than 500 will be shown. बाकी books आपके नहीं show हुए हैं यहाँ पे. Okay, this is your query 1. If you want to save this query, you can save it and you have to name the query. So since this query is about the price, okay, I'm going to name it as query price. Click on OK. Now you will find that along with your tables, one more along with your table, one more object is added here, which is query price. Okay, now if you want to create one more query, then you may create it. Okay, using the same table you may create as many queries as you want. Okay children, so let us create one more query where you will find only those records that belong to the, or those books which belong to the category humor. Okay, so let us create that query, and I will show you how to create that query using the query wizard. Okay, so this is your query wizard. Click here. So there are 4 types of query. We are going to use the simple query wizard which is given at the top. Okay, click OK. But before that, let us close all this. Okay, close all your objects that are open, and now let us create our second query using the query wizard. The tables already present with you, or the queries already present with you, are shown here. They are listed here. You are going to select the table books. If you want to use all the fields, then you have to click on this double arrow. Okay, then you will find all the fields appearing in your query. If you don't want, then you can get it back and you can add only those fields you want. Now I want only the fields with book name, book price and book genre. Okay, if you want, you can add the author name also. You can either go to next and go for other options, otherwise you can finish your query. Okay, now open this query. Open this query in the design view. You will find the query has appeared here as it is. आपने जितने यहाँ पे fields add किए सारे को list कर दिया, but we want to query only those books with the genre humor. So what you have to do is, you have to click on this query and open it in the design view. Okay, you will find the book table is already added here and all the 4 fields are added here. Now you have to add your criteria or insert your criteria in the field books genre. Okay, equal to, we want only those books that are of the category humor. So just type it here. If you want, then you can list it in ascending or descending order. Let us list it in ascending order. And this show means if I am going to uncheck this box, what will happen? This will be present in your query, but it will not be displayed in your query result. अभी आप देखेंगे बुक्स प्राइस जो है आपकी क्वेरी रिजल्ट में अपीयर नहीं होगा और बुक्स आपकी सिर्फ ह्यूमर की बुक्स लिस्टेड रहेंगी वहाँ पे. ओके, शैल वी रन दिस क्वेरी? जस्ट क्लिक ऑन रन. Now you will find all the 3 books that are related to humor are shown to you, and the book price is not shown to you since you have unchecked the box show. That field is not getting displayed here. Okay, so this is your second query. This is your second query which is related to the books category. Okay children, so now you know the 2 ways of creating your query, one through the design view and one through the query wizard. So you may try this at home, and then in our next class we will find how to have a query with multiple conditions. So that's all for today children. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.